So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to download the latest version of Primavera P6. I'm making this video on the 31st of March 2025. And as at 31st of March 2025, Primavera P6 version 24 is the latest version. Of course, new versions emerge over time. But then as far as 2025 is concerned, the version that you're going to be downloading and installing is the latest version. So what I've done in this particular video is basically to give you a fast access to the software. So instead of you having to go through all the rudiments of going through e-delivery, like if you watch some of my previous videos, you'll notice to be able to download, you first of all need to log in through Oracle e-delivery and do all of those processes, which a lot of people have actually complained over time that they usually find it very difficult to do. So what I've done in this case is to be able to download the software and then make it available to you via Dropbox. If you check the description part, you will see the link. And once you click on that particular link, it will take you to where you will download the software. And it's fast. It doesn't require you to fill any form or to do any registration. So let's dive in. So once you click on the link, don't forget you can also copy it and then paste it in your browser. Once you click on the link or you paste it in your browser, then this is the page that will open for you. So within this particular page, you're going to see all these other information. Of course, you can choose to accept or decline the cookies. Then all you simply need to do is you click this download button here. This, you can see, is the P6 version 24. So click the download button. And once you click the download button, it might ask you to do registration, but go down to below where you have or continue with download only and click on that link. So when you click on continue with download only, you will notice that your P6 will start downloading. You can see it downloading here within my browser. So let's just wait for it to download patiently. So once it has finished downloading, if you hover your mouse on it, you will see a folder icon by the side, depending on the browser you're using. I'm using Edge. Simply click on that folder icon and it will take you to the page where it downloaded. In my own case, it's downloaded under the download folder. Let me maximize the folder. All right, so once it downloads, it will download as a zip folder. Just right click on it and then click on extract all. Once you've clicked on the extract all, choose where you want to extract it to. In this case, I'll still want to extract it to this particular download folder. So I'm not making any change to this. I simply click on extract and then let it extract. Good. So once it finishes extract, it will take you straight inside the folder. And once you're in the folder, you're going to see the little red button, and that's the setup button. So simply double click on it. Whatever pops up, simply click on run. Once you click on the red button, it will bring you to this particular page. You can see it is P6 Professional 24 setup. Leave it at typical and click on OK. Then in the next page, simply click on install. And whatever pops up, click on yes. Then let it install. And once it has finished installing, you simply click on OK. Please leave it at this run database configuration. Make sure it's checked. Then click on OK. Once you click on OK, the database configuration page would come up. So we're going to be adding a new database. So simply click the little blue add button and it will create a space for you to enter a new database. Under the driver type, click the drop down and select the last option, P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. Then under the database alias, you can choose to name your database. For example, I can choose to name this P6 database. That is P6DB. Then check the second box that says add a new standalone database and connection. Simply click next. Please, just in case you don't have this PM and PMDB that you're seeing in my own case, don't worry because I have some other databases that I also use, but we're just creating a fresh database for this installation. So simply click the next button. Under the password, copy the login name and paste it under password as well as confirm password. Then click the next button and click save. Once you've done that, you're going to see this message that says alias is saved successfully. Then simply click on OK. When we are done with the installation, you can simply close all these other windows because we don't need them again. Then go to your Start menu and search for P6. Just type in P6. You will see P6 Professional 24. P6 Professional 24. That's the app that we are going to be using. Please note, it's not the visualizer and it is not the professional standalone. Neither is it this folder, because this folder is that folder that you downloaded. And this is the app itself. So click on that P6 Professional 24 and then wait for it to come up. If you remember, the password is the same as the login name, which is admin. So you type it in under the password and click connect. And then it will load. Whatever pops up, simply click on OK. And lo and behold, you have your P6 successfully installed. Okay, so for further videos on how to use the software, you can also take a look at my channel and see other videos. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then also give us thumbs up. And if you need further training on use of Primavera P6, you can contact me with the WhatsApp number on the screen or within the description. Aside from that, you can also do a self-paced course on Udemy, because I have a full detailed course on how to use Primavera P6 on the Udemy platform. I hope this video was quite informative for you. Thank you and see you in the next video.